Welcome to my living room tour and transformation journey. So this is what this living room looked like when we bought this house. I cannot believe we have transformed it into this beautiful, amazing space that speaks modern contemporary glam to my style and to the style that suits my family. In this video, I'll be showing you all a tour of our living room and where we got everything that you see in this living room from. And if you are interested in seeing what we have, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Couch set was gotten from Regency Furniture. It's a store in Maryland. That is where we started our lives as a married couple. The 3-wall art you see on the wall were gotten from Home Goods. We also did a makeover on this media wall, and we transformed the media wall from looking like this to looking like this. A video is going to be linked down in the description box below on how that transformation was done. Please do well to check it out right after watching this video. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. As you all can see, the name of the channel has changed. I hope you can love and accept it like I do. I know I have been missing in action. It is because, as some of you know, I just had a baby and she has taken a toll on me. Being a new mom is no joke, but I'm glad to be back. I'm back for good. My curtains were gotten from Amazon. I will link them down in the description box below as well. This 42-inch chandelier was gotten from Amazon. I just wish there were bigger sizes online. If you know any chandeliers that are over 42 inches, please let us know. Fun fact, my husband really wanted a fan while I wanted a chandelier for this space. But then we had to meet in the middle because why not? Everyone is happy. So we've had this couch set now for over 6 years. That is since we got married, and we love it. We still love it to this date, but I think we've gotten a little bit tired of the set and we are thinking to let go, but not until we find another set that matches and suits our family's needs. This rug is very modern and matches the vibes and aesthetics of my home. I got it from Well Woven Rugs. It was sent to me as a gift and I am still loving it. I will link that video that I reviewed this rug down below, and if you would like to, please do well to check it out right after watching this video. It is very modern, classy, and elegant. This coffee table is very affordable. It was gotten from Ross Dress for Less. On that note, hello guys, I'd like to use this opportunity to thank you for tuning in and watching this video up to this point. Thank you, thank you, thank you. While I was away, we hit 9,000 subscribers. I just want to say I am really grateful. Thank you all so much who are always constantly checking my channel out. And if you are new here and you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? If you watched up to here, I think you're enjoying something. Please do well to hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know without you I wouldn't be here. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. On this channel, we do home decor inspiration and ideas, and I teach you all how to decorate your home on a budget, living luxury for less. This is the point where I think it's just right for me to do a little giveaway just to thank you all for being here, thanking you all for joining this family, thanking you all for always coming back and supporting your girl, and most especially thanking God for our little bundle of joy who has brought us nothing but joy and happiness this season. So I will be giving away a $50 cash prize to any lucky winner who is willing to start over a little space renovation as well, just to say thank you. And to enter this giveaway, you should be subscribed to my channel, you should like this video, and of course share this video on any social media platform. It could be YouTube, it could be Instagram, it could be WhatsApp. Just share it and inspire someone out there. And when you're done, please let me know you are done down in the comments section. And of course the winner will be announced on February 25th. So I'm excited to see who is going to win this little token, and just to say thank you, thank you, thank you. These pillow covers were gotten from a store on Instagram called Ideal Home Decor. This little pillow cover was gotten from Amazon. This really beautiful vase was gotten from a store I found on Instagram. It's also very popular. It's called Inspire Me Home Decor. The full florals in this vase was gotten from Hobby Lobby. This is probably one of my favorite vases in this house. I got it from Home Goods a while back at about $15. I really love the details on this vase. I haven't ever seen a bigger one. If I see it, I'm gonna grab it. And this full florals, blossom, cherry blossom, that's what they call it. I got it from Amazon. If you've watched up to this point, I would assume that you're enjoying the video. If you haven't hit the thumbs up button yet, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel grow. And of course, if you have not shared this video, share it with somebody to inspire them to redecorate or make over their space today. You all know that I am very big on storage space, functional decor. So that's what we have here. Everything is functional and we are enjoying every bit of it. This receiver on the other side was one of the main reasons why I made over this space. I had another vision, but we couldn't create that on this space, and so we went over with this media wall, and I explained all of that in the video of the media wall makeover. So if you haven't checked that out yet, do well to check it out right after watching this video. On the second shelf of my media wall, I have this beautifully well curated vases from designedbytheboss.com, a website owned by the one and only boss lady, my very own Big Sissy here on YouTube, styled by Miss Linda. I love the details on these vases. You can see how well curated the vases are, and I really love it. So I will link that website down below, and I will link these vases in the description box. Do well to check them out because they are a stunner. On the topmost shelf of our media wall, we have the sculptures that I got from Home Goods as well. They are also very beautiful.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you.
Just a quick reminder not to forget to enter the $50 cash prize giveaway. Description box is going to have all of the details on how to enter the giveaway. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. Thank you all so much, and good luck on the giveaway. I wish you a good rest of your day. See you in our next video. Bye.
My heart is, this is our last kiss, and I hope